To send a signal from the expert to Discord, we need to create a server within Discord, and for this, we enter the Discord environment. In the first step, I create a new server by clicking on the Add Server option. By clicking on this option and entering this section, I can create either a personal server or a public server, and in this part, I will create a personal server. In the next step, we need to choose a name for the server, and then by clicking on the Create Server option, we create the new server in this section. We enter the Created Server section, and by clicking on the Edit Channel option, and then on the Integration section, we can create a webhook. Here I will create a webhook by clicking on the Create Webhook option in this section. Here I can choose a name for the webhook and add the webhook to my desired channel. Finally, by clicking on the Copy Webhook URL option and adding it to the webhook URL section in the expert, I execute the expert.